Bullish STEPN cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.65 and $3.13 by 2030. Market examiners accept GMT could reach $1.29 by 2025. Bearish STEPN market cost expectation for 2023 is 29 cents. STEPN presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about STEPN cost expectation. On the whole, we should view the fundamental presentation of this money in the event that you need a decent profit from your beneficial speculation from it. STEPN. The main NFT drive in light of the transition to Procure Idea is a sound way of life application with social money and play to acquire viewpoints. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming engineers, helped to establish STEPN in August 2021. STEPN won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking contest prior to getting a $5 million subsidizing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The Green Metaverse token, the STEPN's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can propose and settle on project progressions and depository dispersion. Prior to making a STEPN cost, we inspect what is GMT. Also, STEPN specialized in central investigation. We should check it out. What is STEPN? STEPN is a Web3 move to procure portable application with parts for social and gaming finance. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind STEPN. The task chips away at the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is a great many people's ordinary action. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, STEPN wrapped the third next in line and was the primary venture to coordinate the move to Procure Idea practically. The objective of the game part of STEPN is to urge a huge number of clients to take on a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high-emission cars. Then again, the social money part of STEPN expects to foster a stage that advances client-created Web3 content. By finishing explicit in-game errands, players can secure different identifications. The benefits these identifications can offer can be taken advantage of to change how the game is played. Clients who have identifications, for example, may profit from lower printing costs, extra focuses, administration advantages, or additional energy. The formation of this element is as of now continuous. STEPN Central Investigation. Brokers utilize specialized investigation to zero in on a resource's presentation, as often as possible down to the moment on exchanging diagrams, while principal research does the specific converse. Exchanges are zoomed out. This gives them a complete information and comprehension of the resource and the association that upholds it. The real worth of a resource is what major examination means to recognize. For instance, by considering various interior and outside models, you might decide if a cryptographic money is overrated. You have without a doubt heard the saying, put resources into individuals, not items. This citation basically catches the principal thought of the crucial examination. Financial backers that stick to principal examination contend that the fundamental indicator of a resource's future exhibition is the organization's solidarity. For financial backers trying to buy economical resources, this is an incredible strategy. There are many incentives for GMT according to authentic information. The incentive is improved on the grounds that it isn't covered. The whole mining biological system knows about the advantages of keeping up with the organization. There is no race to get to unclaimed hard cap at the present time. Possibilities for the web are settled accordingly. Along these lines, the worth of STEPN can increment, further guaranteeing environment development. More STEPN can be gotten to keep the environment working accurately. STEPN use is supposed to develop yearly, raising the cash's worth. STEPN current cost. STEPN is right now worth 36 cents USD. GMT has moved 2.18% as of now with an exchanging volume of $36,131,061. STEPN is right now positioned 152 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $220,656,517 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for STEPN to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant STEPN market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. STEPN Value Expectation 2023 STEPN, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The GMT cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 55 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. averaging 51 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of 44 cents. STEPN value expectation 2024 of every 2024. STEPN GMT cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform 91 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the GMT's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 73 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 80 cents. STEPN value forecast 2025 assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.29 and GMT might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.18 and a low of $1.10 in 2025. STEPN value expectation 2026 assuming that STEPN effectively helps market feeling among digital money lovers, the GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2026. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.65, with a base cost of $1.47 and a typical cost of $1.54. STEPN value expectation 2027 after some broad gauging and specialized examination. We gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.91 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.84 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, GMT has a most extreme value worth of $2.02. STEPN value expectation 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.28. In the event that GMT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $2.39. Neglecting to accumulate the help GMT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.21. STEPN value forecast 2029 while GMT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $2.57 and a yearly cost close above $2.76 in 2029. STEPN value expectation 2030 by 2030. STEPN will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $2.94 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3.13, averaging out at $3.02. STEPN value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy.